Hello, good morning students. Today we are seeing one of the most important chapters, circle of practice set 3.2. Once again, welcome back to Jamal sir, mathematics. Question number 4. Look, circle with centers P and Q. So as you can see, here we have two circles with two different centers. One is P, another center is Q. What they does, touches at point R. Look, both these circles are touching at one single point. So their point of contact becomes R. Line passing through R. Look, a line is passing through R. This line is what? Passing through R and meets the circles at point A and at point B. Look, this line meets the first circle at point A. Same line intersects with another circle at another point B respectively. Then we need to find these things. First we need to prove AP is parallel to BQ. Where is AP? This one. This AP is parallel to BQ. Second, we need to prove triangle APR. Triangle APR. This smaller circle having smaller triangle, and this triangle we need to prove similar to larger triangle RQB. And the last one we need to find angle RQB. Where it is? Look, RQB. This angle I need to find. And one angle is given PAR. PAR is given 35 degree. Okay students, so first we need to prove this one. AP is parallel to BQ. So let's start with the solution. First, what we can see in this triangle, triangle APR, right? In triangle APR, what we can see? Side AP and side PR, both are equal. AP is equals to PR. Why they are equal? Reason? Radii of same circle. Look what they are. PR is what? Radius, and PA is also radius of same circle. So same thing we are writing, radii of same circle. Since two sides are equal, therefore their opposite angle, this angle, angle ARP or PRA, is equals to this angle PAR or RAP, right? Reason? A triangle whose two sides are equal, so their opposite angles are also equal. So this becomes isosceles triangle property. When two sides are equal, so their opposite angles are also equal. Clear everyone? This becomes equation number 1. Okay. Same thing we can apply in second triangle. We have one more triangle. Look, this lower triangle RQB. Now I'll select this triangle. Now in triangle RQB, again what do we know? Q is the center of this circle and QR is what? Radii. Same thing, QB is also radii. So radii of same circle. So we can write RQ is equals to Q bar. The reason is radii of, yes, same circle. Since two sides are equal, again angle opposite to them, RQ, opposite angle is what? Angle B. So I can write RBQ is equals to this angle QRB. Right? These two are what? Opposite angles. So which triangle? Isosceles triangle property. And this we will take as equation number 2. So far what we have proved? These two angles are equals to each other. Similarly, in upper triangle, these two angles are equal. Now next one, these two angles are equal. Now what do we know? As you can see this, these two lines, they are forming what? They are forming one alphabet X, and X will give you which angle? Vertically opposite angle, right? What they will give you? Vertically opposite angle. So look, if two angles are equal, which angle? Angle PRA is equals to angle QRB, and the reason is vertically opposite angles, right? This becomes equation number 3. Now students, look, if these two are equal, right? What about angle PRA? Where it is? Look, this we have seen in equation number 1. PRA was equals to what? RAP. So instead of PRA, can I write this one? At the place of PRA, can we replace this PRA with RAP? Yes. So instead of this, we can write RAP. Similarly, QRB, back to equation number 2. Look, QRB is equals to whom? This QRB was equals to RBQ. So instead of this, I can write angle RBQ. From where? So this we got from equation 1 and equation 2. So we'll write this from equation 1 and equation 2. So these two angles are equal. Now which these two angles are? So the location is RAP. Look, RAP. We're talking about this angle. Another is RBQ. RBQ. Now this angle. If these two angles are equal, right? If these two angles are equal, so what it means? Look, can you see one alphabet? Yes, this alphabet is what? Z, right? If these two angles are equal, it means they are forming Z, and to form a Z, we need what? Two parallel lines, right? If these two angles are congruent, it means they are forming Z. And how you can form a Z? With the help of two parallel lines, because these two angles are what? Alternate angles. Since these two angles are congruent, therefore I can say AP is parallel to QB. AP is parallel to QB. Reason? Which test? By alternate angle test. By alternate angle test. Since they are making Z, therefore these two lines are what? Parallel. So this way we proved first one. Now second we need to solve. What is second? Triangle APR and triangle RQB. So first I will select these two triangles. In triangle APR and another triangle RQB. Can we prove them similar? Let us see. In triangle APR, this upper triangle, right? What do we know? These two angles were equal. Here, angle PRA is equals to angle QRB. Why? Because they are forming X, and X will give you what? Vertically opposite angle. Do we know this one? Yes. This we knew from equation 3. So this was from equation 3. Now next, what do we know? This angle PAR, this upper angle, or PAR of RAP. You can write anyone. This RAP is equals to angle RBQ. Right? Can you see here? Yes, look, this one RAP is equals to what? RBQ. From equation 1 and 2 we got, and this itself, this becomes equation number 4. So you will write here, this was from equation 3 and this is from equation 4. Now if two angles are equal, right? Now what we can say, triangle R, here P, what do we left? P. So angle RAP is similar to, middle name is what? R. Here B, what do we left? Q. These two triangles are what? Similar. The reason is both the angles are equal. So by which test? By AA test. With the help of angle test, we prove two triangles are what? Similar. Clear all? Understood? This was the proof of second sub question. This one. So second also we have completed. Now we'll move towards last and the final one. Here, what we need to find? Angle RQB. This we need to find. Where it is? RQB. This I am putting as question mark. This I need to find. Right? What do we know? Angle PAR. This is given. This angle is how much? 35. PAR is given what? 35 degree. Okay, students? Can we find this angle? This is 35. What do we know? This angle RAP is equals to, this equals to this angle, right? Angle PRA. Same thing, what do we know? This angle is also equals to angle B, means RBQ. One, two, three, and this also, fourth is also equals to the same, QRB or BRQ. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. All four angles are what? Equals to each other. How you got this? From equation 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write here. From equation 1, 2 and equation 3. We are saying all three angles are what? Equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. From these four, we only know the first one. What is the value of first one? RAP. Look, it is given. PAR or RAP. Same thing. How much? 35. So here I am putting 35. It means all three angles are what? They all are equals to what? 35. BRQ. They all becomes exactly how much? 35. So each angle is what? 35. 35 degree. Now can we find this angle? Angle Q. How will find this? Where it is located? It is located in lower triangle RQB, right? RQB. So here I can solve in triangle RQB. What do we know? Angle R plus angle B plus angle Q. We all know sum of all the angle of a triangle is how much? 180. So in this triangle, angle R plus angle B plus angle Q, together they will give me 180 degree, right? And reason we all know, sum of a triangle is what? 180 degree, right? Now let's put the value. So angle R, this we know 35, angle B again 35, but angle Q we don't know, and this is 180 degree. 35 plus 35, 70 degree. Angle Q as it is. Now we'll transform this 70. So angle Q is equals to 180 minus 70. So 180 minus 70 will give you 110 degrees. Clear everyone? So this way we got all three solutions. So finally we got the measured angle RQB as 110 degrees. Hope you all have enjoyed and as well understood this. Thank you so much.